This is a start of new project which I'm going to introduce the hard surface modeling technique in ZBrush. Mostly we'll be using the brush called Z Modular, which came with the ZBrush new release, which is ZBrush 4R7. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to my tool palette. I'm going to get my favorite cube, then drag it onto the canvas, then edit. Okay, then what you got to do, first have a look. Okay, this is a normal cube. Then initialize the Z modular setting. You got to press make poly 3D, make polymesh 3D. Press that one. Then go to the initialize cube. Press the cube to get started. Okay, this is the cube. Then what? Press F to see the wireframe. Then let's start. Let's get the Z modular brush. B and Z. See Z modular brush over here. Short key for this one, B Z M. Okay, let's face my cube to the front, which is the Z facing this direction. Then I'm going to extrude these faces. I'm going to start building the leg of my Mech character, because the legs, apparently legs, the easiest part to my concept design. Okay, I'm going to extrude these faces. Therefore, go to the faces. When you come to the faces, you can see there are small strokes coming. See yellow stroke. Okay, go to the middle of the polygon, then press space bar. I want to do the cube mesh, single poly, and leave the other settings as it is. Okay, to this actually cube mesh, instead of single poly, these are the action, these are the target, these are the modifiers. I'm going to change my target to the flat island, which is this one, flat island. Then this flat island I'll be able to extrude really quickly. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this guy a little bit back. While you extruding, you can, it go weird. See, when you go front and when you go back, I want to put a bit closer to over here. You can hold down the shift, then you will be able to move these 4 polygons. Okay, let me demonstrate it again. Cube mesh, flat island. I thought this is too forward. There, I want to move these front to back. I'm going to move. I'm going to extrude like that. Then, while you extruding, you can first let it extrude, then hold down the shift key. Then you will be able to move. I'll go. Okay, I'll go all the way down over here. Then I'll be able to introduce another tool. Then I want to add another edge loop over here. Let me to show you. Then go to the edge. See, go to the one edge, not the polygon, edge. Then space bar. I'm moving really slowly, guys. Okay, I want you guys to understand. Then I'm going to insert single poly loop. Here we go. Then I want to make these vertices. I want to move these vertices a little bit back, somewhere over here. Let's see how I can do. Go to the hover your mouse close the edge, vertices, then press space bar. Then I'm going to move infinity depth. Okay, target is action is move, my target is infinity depth, then you'll be able to move. Here we go, something like that. Then I want to make a hole in here. Let's see how. Okay, first before that, actually I want to show you how it is look like when I apply the dynamic subdivision level. Let's understand what's the dynamic subdivision. What is the dynamic subdivision is first. Shift F. Okay, let's do the Shift F, leave it like that, then you can see the wireframe. Under the geometry you can see the dynamic subdivision. Turn it on. See this, there are 3 action. You can subdivide this one in a 3-way. This is the smooth version. You can smooth it up like that, or you can flat subdivide. This is being subdivided, but you can't see it. To see it, if you want to, you can smooth up, flat subdivide. I'll put it to number 2. Then you can use the combination of this one, flat subdivision level to number 2, then smooth subdivision I'll go to number 4. Then you can see press F, then you can see nice bevel edges. Let's put to number 2 this one to number 3, flat subdivision to number 3, smooth subdivision to number 4. Now you'll be able to see it's a really hard surface characteristic happening to this model. Or you can use, I'll drop it down to 0, or you can use cube grid. See, this is a cube grid, then you can increase the coverage. I put the cube grid to, let's do number 5, then you can increase the coverage. By increasing the coverage, you can see the bevel edges. You play it around, and you can use the, as I said, you can use the combination of this method. What I'm going to use for my Mech version, I'm going to put the subdivision level to 3 and smooth to maybe 4. 3 and 4. I think it's good what I am trying to achieve. Press F. I'll show you this how you can turn on and turn off the subdivision level, dynamic subdivision level, or you can press Shift D to turn off and just letter D to turn on. Shift D and D. Okay. Now I want to make a hole in here. Let's see how I'm going to do that. Shift D to turn off the dynamic subdivision. Then go to this vertices and hold down the Shift, and I want to split. I want to point. Okay, that's all. To split, I want to split this vertex. Then target is point. Keep the other settings as it is. Okay, then I will be able to make a hole. It's creating the crease. Okay, that's all right. Press D to have a look. I'm going to undo. Actually, it's adding the crease line over here. I'll undo first, then I'm going to perform this action again, bit different way. Point, and I don't want to crease ring. Do not crease. Then I'm going to create. Okay, my symmetry is being activated. You guys notice that one. See, it's creating the both side. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a hole inside there. Before I make a hole, actually I want to keep this one to create the big ball. Therefore I want to keep this polygon. What you can do, hold down the Alt key and make the selection, then press space bar, make sure you Q mesh, then single poly, then you can press the left mouse button and drag. Then you can see this extrusion is creating. While it is extruding, hold down the control. Here we go. Then you can extract that polygon. See, we will need this polygon. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a hole. Again, hold down the Alt key. While you holding down the Alt key, what it is, it's will be able to make the selection. Then this polygon, go to this polygon action, which is over here. Then Q mesh, single poly. I want to make a hole. Go all the way down. What it does is it's merging. Now it is a hole. Okay. Then what I want to do, make this one, give a little bit of thickness. You can't see because there is a double side. We need to turn on the double side. That's why we can't see when we turn it. What you can do, display properties, turn on the double side, then you'll be able to see that polygon. Let's give a little bit of thickness. Again, go to the polygon, like select, move your mouse to the polygon level, which is over here, and hold down the shift key, Q mesh. I go to the flat island, this one, then I'll be able to extrude. Okay, then what I want to do, I want to put these guys in middle over here. Create a mask, and you know how to create the mask. Hold down the control key and create the mask, then the space bar, then you can move the mask. Okay, then I'm going to inverse the mask, hold down the control key and click outside. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to move these into the middle. By holding down the shift key, you will be able to move right into the middle, inside of this hole. Then also I want to scale this. Okay, don't worry about the scaling down. Okay, I'll put it into the middle. Then activate the Dynamesh, press D. Let's see what's happening. Okay, it's look like clear the mask. It's look like this. Then what I want to do, Shift D, deselect, Shift F, Q to the S modular. Okay, then what I'll do, I want to go to the edge mode over here. Then I want to bevel, click bevel, edge loop complete. Then you'll be able to bevel this one, then bevel this one too. Here we go. Then I'm going to make the selection, hold down the Alt key, this one, this one, this one, this. Then again hover the mouse on the polygon and press the space bar. Okay, Q mesh, single poly, then extrude these guys out. then extrude again. Let's see, okay, just do the one extrude and press D. Let's save. Okay, now that's looking good. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the another okay, I think I missed the one bit. I'm going to turn off the dynamic subdivision level, Shift D, turn it off. Then I'm going to add the edge loop somewhere over here. Let's see how we're going to add the edge loop. Insert, add the edge loop over here. See, you saw how we're going to add the edge loop. Click the hover your mouse on the edge and space bar and the insert single edge loop. Okay, then you can create the edge loop. Then what I want to do, I want to move these vertices to the top. Go to the vertices, then press space bar. Action is I want to move infinity depth. Okay, infinity depth. I'm going to move it. Let's see why it's not moving. Okay, looks like it's not moving. I'm going to use another trick. I'm going to mask this one, just this point, then inverse W to activate the transpose tool. Then I'll be able to move that way. Then I'm going to clear the mask, Q. Then let's do the dynamic subdivision. Okay, that's looking really good. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the duplication of this one. This is my top view. I'm going to duplicate the model 2 times. Here we go. Then it is overlapping each other. With my transpose tool, drag and holding down the shift key, move on. Here we go. Then next one, I'm gonna move this up. This round one. Here we go. Here we go. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate this one. While I'm rotating, I hold down the shift key, then it will snap. Here we go. Then this is going to be the front, this is going to be the back. I'm going to make small changes. The back side of the leg, don't like to leave it same. Let's see what I can do. First I drag a mask, hold down the control and drag the mask, then inverse, hold down the control and click outside. Then with my transpose, I can move over here. inverse, I like to move this point mask and inverse. Here we go. Clear the mask again, inverse. Here we go. Then the middle point, inverse. Clear the mask. Again this point, control outside, click outside. Here we go. Clear the mask, inverse. Yep. Just shape it up. Okay. I want to make this one bigger. I'll scale it up. Here we go. Then what I'll do, I'm going to make a duplication of this one. Just put this one down. Yeah, duplicate. Get rid of the symmetry and move it over here. Probably this one, the front two. What I'll do, I'll make it a bit longer. Since I make this one bigger, I feel like this one need to be a bit longer. Drag a mask, inverse. Here we go. Probably I think this one need to go down. Shape it up way that you want. Probably something like that will do, I guess. Probably this one, and I'll do to align these ones, mask and the inverse W, and put it down a little bit. Then I'll probably delete this one. Delete. Here we go. I'm going to make another duplication. Oh. Here we go. Then what I'll do, I'm going to rotate this one. Press R to rotate. Clear the mask. There's a mask behind it. Okay, that's all for this video. Then from next video I'm going to start creating the rest of the leg pieces.